Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We have a 2025 Mazda BT-50 in here today for a few small bits and pieces. One, we're going to get some side steps on the side, both sides, all right? You get two pieces, not just one at Canopies 4x4 because we're all about value. Anyway, we're going to get a tub liner in there as well. Clean up all of these little marks that are already in the tub. Well, by clean up, I mean cover up. And we're also going to get one of our soft tonneau covers on there. Should be a pretty straightforward install and we should get right into it.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the fit process of these few little items. The steps themselves are very, very straightforward. You can see these are the steel Stingray steps that we do.
mounted directly off the OEM body points. Very, very heavy duty, and if I do say so myself, really complementing the look and finish of the vehicle. If you want to grab these pieces for your BT-50 or for any other ute that you might have, ozcanopies.com.au is the site to go to. Other than that, like, subscribe, notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.